Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you are watching this. My name is Ode Divine Olche and I'm a student of Federal University of Okari, Taraba State to be precise. This assignment proposal was given to me by my lecturer to enlighten my colleagues more on Management Information System, that is also known as MIS. So first of all, now let's talk about the three concepts of Management Information System. We have the management as a concept, we have the information as a concept, and we have the system as a concept. So now, first of all, what is management? Management can simply be referred to as the process of directing, coordinating, and selecting people in order to, or people or individuals in order to achieve an organizational goals or individual goals. So now, information as a concept now. Information as a concept can simply be referred to as the knowledge or data that is being collected, processed in order to make managers or individuals decisions. So now we have system. System can also be referred to as a set of intermediate components put together to make informed decisions. So now we have some other components of MIS. The components of MIS, now we have three or four basic components, but I'm going to talk about three. One of the components, now we have the people. The people we are also known as the IT users or professionals. Then secondly, we have processes. Processes can be the data collection or the data processing. Then thirdly, we have the technologies. Technologies can be the software or the hardware. So we have some other examples of MIS, and these examples of MIS now, we have banks. In banks now, we use ATM machines, which is the automated teller machines. People go there to do withdrawals from banks, and those withdrawals that is being done in banks are being recorded as our data. Then in schools, we have student portals. Student portals now, as a student of Federal University of Okari, I have my personal portal that if I'm doing based on my result is being published. It's being done through my portal that's recording all my school data in there. So those are the examples of management information system. So I would like to talk about my main topic, which is e-commerce and e-business. So first of all, now e-business can simply be referred to as the online transactions that is being done by the manufacturers, the wholesalers, and the retailers. Then e-commerce can be referred to as the transactions between two people, which from the buyers to the sellers, they exchange goods without physical contact. We also have some basic e-commerce models, that is business to business, business to consumers, consumers to business, and consumers to consumers. So now, talking about the business to business now, it's an online transaction that is done between the manufacturer to the distributors. So secondly, we have the business to consumers. So this business to consumers now, let me start with an example. We have Jumia. Like this is an online shopping or the exchange of products and services using online channels. Like maybe I'm with my phone and I just log into the app Jumia. I want to purchase. Okay. I'm with my phone and I just log into the Jumia app and I want to purchase for a product. So I log into the Jumia app directly to purchase for a product that I want. Then maybe it can be paid to me, or I can do payment on delivery, or I can pay with my card. So that is just like for business to consumers. So talking about the consumers to business now, for example, I want to sell my fridge. I take my goods like my fridge to a business now through the online channel for them to purchase my product as a consumer. Then after they purchase the product,